In this video, I'll be covering the 4 types of home insurance, and I'll let you know which ones you need and which ones you don't. Hello, my name is Susan and welcome to my channel where I empower you, the buyer, with knowledge so that you can buy a home with confidence and clarity. If you are a home buyer, welcome to this channel. My goal is to provide you with as much information as possible so that you will be able to buy a home from A to Z, stress-free. So today, I'll be covering the 4 types of home insurance to get when buying a house. Buying a home can be one of the biggest financial investments of your life. You want to protect this investment in every way. After all, it is your hard-working money that you've earned and you don't want anything to happen to it. And so, I'll be covering the 4 different types of homeowner insurance you'll get while buying a house. And make sure you stay around to the end, and I'll give you my tip where the best place to get certain insurance. So here we go, the 4 types of homeowner insurance explained. The first insurance you encounter is the C.M.H.C. This is a default mortgage insurance, and this generally applies if you have less than 20% down. Now, if you don't know what C.M.H.C is, don't worry. Click here or here, somewhere. There will be a video explaining what C.M.H.C is. So the second is title insurance. This is purchased through your lawyer and it protects your title from things like title fraud, unpaid property tax from the previous owner, any liens, existing liens, even property line, and much more. So number 3 is your property insurance. Now this is the one that actually protects the property itself. So it protects things such as in cases of your house burning down, there's a tornado going through the area and rips off your roof, and substantial damages to your home. 4th type of insurance is your mortgage insurance. This will require you to talk to an insurance agent. Now, I'm not an insurance agent, so I only know the bare minimum. Basically, you want to protect yourself for in case anything could happen, such as loss of job, unable to work, knock on wood, death. You want to make sure nothing happened to your investment, and you don't want to leave your family hanging in case something happens to you, and bank may take away your home due to unpaid payments. So those are the 4 types of insurance to get when buying a house. And as promised, my bonus tip about homeowners insurance, the one that I want to talk about is the mortgage protection insurance. I've been told by many people that the best way to get coverage is not through the bank insurance. You want to speak to an insurance agent where they can help you get something that is a little bit better price for better coverage. It was explained to me that the bank insurance is at a higher price and only covers what the balance owing is. And the monthly payment for the insurance does not decrease as your balance decreases, which is not fair. So you really want to speak to an insurance agent to get a better coverage at a better price. So there you are, the 4 types of insurance to get when buying a house. Like and subscribe for new content that will help you with buying your new home with confidence. Now, if you are looking to buy a home and is in need of a real estate agent, I am a realtor based in the GTA, so feel free to contact me by phone, email, or text. Or if you're just looking to get more information, right here, related videos somewhere around here or here that can definitely help you with your buying process. Feel free to comment below with any questions you may have, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!